Hello everyone, this is Pamperchew and Avery,
Hi.
and he is building a oscilloscope.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to show everyone what you've done so far?
Okay.
Maybe you can go over what the instructions told you.
um. So far, I've installed, or not installed. What would you say installed? Yeah, let's just say installed. So far, I've installed the USB socket, um, switches.
Go ahead.
Okay, so far I've installed the USB socket, tact switches, ceramic capacitors, an LED, pin header, transistors, regulators, um, capacitor trimmers, power inductor, electrolytic capacitors, the power connector, and so on. Currently, what I'm on is the resistor pack, or the resistors. And then after that, I have to build the display. My Pamperchew will do that.
It's just a plug, or yeah, it's just a big pin header.
So, what was it? This is 1,000. Sorry, let me get it up on the screen here. It's 1509. That's 1,000.
So that's a 1.5K.
Yeah, so that's what I need for the 1.5.
So that'd be R34. Or no, R39, 38. 1.5, R38, yeah. So then you look over on the board and you look for the little tiny writing that says R38.
There it is.
You want to show everyone the soldering, or are you just doing it differently? Are you going to put them all in first?
I'll do it the way that you did it.
Okay. That's where I just put in all the pieces, a few pieces, and then I solder them all at once. Well, you can show for this one.
Okay.
So that's the flux. And it's done. I got a pair of dikes. These ones are actually a lot nicer. I think they're a lot nicer than the red ones. The red ones you get for $3. This one you get for, I think, $10. Of course, these red ones are so cheap. You get a few of them, and they are nice. It's amazing how. And this kit was only, I think, $25.
That's amazing.
For an oscilloscope. It's I think it goes up to 100 megahertz. I don't remember, but it's $25 for a kit versus something from the 60s. Who knows?
May or may not work.
Yeah, who knows what this cost? Probably almost $5,000-$10,000.
Well, when it was new.
Yeah, when it was new. But
there are ones now that cost upwards of that much.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see what this just the rest of it. So here it is. It's the Cumin oscilloscope, and here's the specifications. Okay, so it says it goes up to 200 kilohertz. So I was a bit off when I said 200 megahertz. That's a factor of, oh, what, 3?
98 point, what is this? This 98.49.
So that's 100,
kilohertz.
100K.
Okay.
Yeah. The tolerances on these can be off by quite a bit, but you just round it up or down, kind of just from, I'm just able to do it from experience, but if it's close to 100, then it's 100. If it's close to 1.5, it's 1.5. So, and I think it even can plug into your computer. I don't know if you're able to maybe reprogram the PIC that's on board, because it is a, what are they using here?
Well, there's the processor chip on it.
The STM32. So it's a PIC microcontroller.
Sorry. Microcontroller.
Yeah, you want to point it out? That one there.
Yeah.
And so, since it is close to the USB, I bet you could reprogram this to do anything you wanted it to. It's kind of cool.
This still needs your attention, though. This little piece that I soldered in.
Okay.
Because on this side, that...
Yeah, we can fix that. This is what I've been working on. Removing memory chips. I got so many of these boards. These are little UV erasable microcontrollers. If I showed in a previous video. Some of them are not. Some of them are regular electronic erasable ones. Of course, now I can't get it off. So here's the Altair UV erasable. It's a lot prettier when you polish them up, but there's a little microcontroller in there. And where was the other one I found? Oh, right here. A Motorola 68705. Another little UV erasable microcontroller.
That would be a microcontroller, correct? 7805?
Yeah, that's what's on this board here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.